Alright guys, we're going to show you how to install your B&R dual spring kit on your Rzr 900S. This shock here, to save some time, we've already loosened these collars up. These preload collars are going to be jammed up against it. Knock it loose and you're just going to basically thread these down. We have a good shock punch. You can use any type of punch or chisel to break that loose. Once you break that loose, you spin your spring down. You're gonna have a spring retainer that sits in there. Just remove that. Go ahead and pull your spring off. Then your front spring kit is gonna come with tender spring, short tender spring, crossover, and your long main spring. You're also gonna come with several spring adapters that are going to go inside the springs to take up some of your slack. It can be a fairly tight fit, but you just kind of whack them down in there and they'll go on. You're going to slide your tender spring on. You're going to take your crossover. This crossover could be set either way. Large side up or short side up. The large side up is what we normally recommend. It's gonna be a little bit stiffer setup in the back with that than what it is. If you wanna make it softer, you can flip it over and use the thinner side. Then you're gonna take your mainspring. Put your mainspring on. As you can see, it's way up. So you're gonna have to go ahead and move this all the way down, basically. We recommend starting 3 5/8 of an inch from your body cap to the top of this collar to where it sets your preload. So basically you just loosen these up all the way down, and then you're gonna just go ahead and insert your spring retainer back in, and that's really all you need to know on how to do that.